Hello friends. When we finished building this pond, we put the turtles in, and very soon, the same day or next day, I don't remember, the female turtle put some eggs. She laid the eggs on the staircase, and for some reason the egg broke, or probably was eaten, cannibalized by the male. So we thought it was a good idea to, as soon as possible, to make a nest for the turtle to put her eggs safely, and maybe even have little turtles. Nest was something that was between 10 and 15 centimeters deep, preferably large, but the space here isn't much, so this box plastic container is what I believe would be useful and allows taking advantage of the space we have. That is not much. If this doesn't work well, we'll have to make something much bigger, especially for the turtle to find a nest. And our options are to put it either in the water, which would take space from swimming space from the turtle, or simply hang it here under the basking space, which you can either sit on the grass or still sit on the nest. Now the material with which I'm going to make the nest is these small pebbles that are 1 or 2 millimeters diameter. You can see it there? No, you can't. I'll get over here. This is the kind of material. The basic material is that. And we'll fill up the whole volume with this that is vermiculite. It's very similar to a small gravel, but it's very light and inert. So we won't have any unwanted growth there or any source of pollution. And it's very easy to wash if needed. This bedding must be kept humid. Turtle eggs can die if they are in a dry media. They need to absorb water from their surroundings, so this material, both the gravel and the vermiculite, are capable of holding water. They retain water very easily. If this was just sand, it would dry up very easily, and that's not good for the eggs. So we're going to use this to make a nest for the turtles. We have to cut out that wood there and stick this on there, and that's what we're going to do now. Well, this is my turtle nest. I hope you liked it. And I hope we have some little turtles running around there. And, well, if you like my video, please remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.